Welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a website in WordPress in simple steps. So I'm taking an example of this. This is my website, dialpalamuru.com. You can see nothing is there. And I want to design it in a WordPress. So WordPress is already installed. In my previous video, I explained how to buy domain and hosting. And if you take a WordPress hosting, automatically the WordPress will be installed. You don't have to go any other things. Now, whenever you purchase domain and hosting, and a process of customizing them, domain and hosting, it will be given an ID and password to log into this website. See, anyone can type this domain name. They can see the website, but they can't log in because you are the admin. You only can see that one. So if you want to log into your WordPress website, type your domain name, then /wp-admin. WP means WordPress, admin means you are the admin. This username and password, by the time of purchasing domain hosting, when you're customizing both, you'll be getting these details. And when you enter, now it is going to be in a WordPress dashboard. You will see a pop-up like this. Get started quickly on WordPress. Don't click on Start Wizard. It is giving you help in setting, contact, theme and everything, but not required because I'm going to tell you systematically how to work it. By default, it will take you to their theme. So instead of that, click on No Thanks. Now you'll be going to the WordPress dashboard. You can see here, left hand side, all the options are there. So we're going to learn all these options. But before you design something, first of all, do some paperwork. What are you going to create? What all the things are required? So if you do it, it's very easy for you to create a website. Now, I'm going to create a training institute website, my digital marketing training institute website. So I'm providing online training for them. So it's a website, it's not a blog. Next, in order to create a website, there is a step-by-step procedure is there. Just follow these steps. First, create pages, what all the pages are required for your website. Second, create menu. Third, theme. And fourth, customize. If you do these four options, it's enough. 70% of your work has been done. Right. Pages. I said mine is a training institute. Of course, any website, school, college or hospital, by default, home, about us, contact us is mandatory, right? And apart from that, especially for training institute, what is required? Courses. What courses you are explaining? Like courses. So under courses, I want to showcase SEO, Google Ads, social media, and digital marketing. Complete digital marketing also. So these are the pages I want to create. So initially, whatever you have in mind, write it anyway. In future, if you need something else also, you can add it in the pages. So now 3, 4, and this 4, 8 pages I thought already. Now go to WordPress. Now first step is pages. Can you see the option of pages? Yes. So click on pages. By default, some pages are there. Let it be privacy policy. Sample page, let me remove. Because every website, a privacy policy is there, much better anyway. It's not mandatory, but if it is there, it's okay. You can write your own privacy things. Now, add new. So click on page, add new, just type home and publish. That's it. The page has been created. One page has been created. Then add new. Remaining all pages I'm going to create here. About us. Contact us. Then here courses. Under courses, those options I'm going to create. And digital marketing. Done. All the pages have been created. Now again, if you click on pages, you will see what all the pages are available. Now what is the second step? Menu. If you see for this website, there is a menu, proper menu. Again, let me explain something else. For any website, things like this is the header we called, and if you scroll down, this is called footer, and anything right side or left side, this is called a sidebar. Again, remember, if you go to any page, header, footer, sidebar will be same. Am I correct? If you go to any page, this will be same. This will be same, and footer will be same. 90% of the cases. Right. And this is called header menu. And this is called pre-header menu. This is header. The menu is there in the header. And this is before the header. That's why pre-header we called. And if the menu is in the footer, that's called a footer menu. So you can create one menu. Only one menu you can create, that you can put it in the header or pre-header. But or else you can create multiple menus. One for header, one for pre-header, one for footer menu also. You can mention anyway. So that options you're creating here. So menu option is not available in this. So it will be available under appearance and menu. So here you create a menu. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it as a first menu. You can have 4 or 5 menus also, no problem. Now, what all the pages you have created, those are available here. Can you see them? All the pages have been available here. Either select one by one or select all and add them to the menu. Now, those are all pages added to the menu. So, custom link is there. Let me remove this. By default, it came. Now, these are not in a proper way. Let us make it in a proper way. I want home to be on first. So, put your cursor, drag and drop. Home should be here. Now, about us is proper only. Now, contact us, I want it last. Now, courses, under courses, SEO should be first. Google Ads, social media, digital marketing. And what you want is, when it comes to these 4 items should be under courses, right? See, automatically those are under courses only. So someone put a cursor on courses, this will come, right? Then other case, this courses also should come under about us. So this is not correct. So if you want these 4 items to be under courses, what you have to do is put your cursor, drag to the right side. Now these 4 items become sub item. Those things will come under courses. Now assume that digital marketing should comes under social media, then again drag it to the right side of this one. So this will come under this. Okay, done. Everything is done. Save menu. We created page, pages, we created one menu. Third option, theme. See, WordPress have thousands of free themes available. You want a school theme? School themes are available. Colleges, hospitals, whatnot, thousands of templates are available. Depends on your requirement, you have to find the theme. Can you see the theme option? So under appearance, there is an option theme. See, as of now, you can see 3 themes. If you apply them, your website will look like this. But these are not looking good. Then click on add new option. Few more themes came. So, see, if you want to be a student, you can work on 1 or 2 themes. But in future, if you want to start a business, a freelancing kind of thing, you should work on 20 to 30 themes. Then only you can satisfy the client, right? So don't stuck with only one theme. Keep on learning many themes. That is very good for you. Now again, after experience, you'll understand whether this is good for you. This is not good for a website, I'm saying, because of my experience. This is good for a blog actually. This is also good for a blog. If nothing is good, again click on popular, latest, favorites. Right. Now assume that there is some theme here. Let me select this theme, whatever it might be. Then if you like this, then click on install. Just see before that, how is our website? It's empty, nothing is there. Now we are applying the theme. We applied and activated. Let's see what will happen. And let it be like this only. Design, always open in a new tab. Whatever you want to check, open in a new tab and check it. Some change happened, right? As compared to the previous one, some change has happened. But again, he said that the theme will look like this. But when I applied, the theme is not looking like this. It's not a magic anyway. Everything again, you have to do it. That is in the last option called customize. Your talent will be finding a proper theme and customizing the properly. Now here is the customization option. So under theme only customize option is here. Here also customize. Customize option is nothing but he create, by default he gave his colors, his pics. Now go to customize, change everything according to your business. That's it. But you need a lot of patience. Each and every option you have to check properly. Just see here. So first of all, layout he's asking. So header. I don't know what the options. You keep on checking it. There is an option called site identity. Site identity means it's showing my blog. It has to be some business name, right? So site, what is the site title? So here I'm writing online digital marketing training, or else simply we'll go for a short form ODMT, and then a tagline will write as online or else you can put your logo also, anything is fine, and publish. Don't close it, go back. Primary header, header layout, how you want the header layout. See here, logo plus something else, top logo, bottom, or else like this. So anything you can select this, work on this. Transparent header he gave something, leave it. Now how you want sidebar, those all options he gave. Now colors and background. What is the theme color you want? Background, what color you want, he mentioned. Everything is fine, but there is a problem in the menu. What is the problem? Yeah, we said that all the 4 things should come under courses, but we did it. It's not coming. we did in the menu, but not in the theme. Once we apply the theme also, in customize option, there is one more option called menu. Go there and apply that menu name. What is the menu name I gave? First menu. Select this and under view all locations, select the menu. See here, primary menu, footer menu. Some themes, it will be pre-header menu also. Under primary menu, I'm selecting first menu. First menu. Done. Fine. Now home about us under courses, SEO, Google Ads. Again, don't worry, Arey, my website is not looking good. Slowly it will become. Anyway. Right. And one more option I want to tell you, it is showing hello world. Hello world means any blog you write, all blogs it will show here. By default, they have written one blog called hello world, that's why it's showing. Means your website is showing the latest post. If it is showing the latest post means, what does it means? Every time it is showing a latest post, what does it means? It is a blog. So by default, all the WordPress websites are made for blog. Actually, this is a blog now. I don't want blog. I want website because digital marketing training is an institute. So I want to make it as a website, not as a blog. But again, at the same time, I want to write blogs also. Then initially my website should showcase website, and whatever the post I write, it should go to some page. Just see this example of my website ODMT. This is website or blog? It's a website. So always it's same, but we are writing blogs also. But all blogs will go to the page called blog. I named it as a blog. It doesn't mean that if you mention blog, it will go to the blog. If I mention it to SEO, it will go to SEO also. So I mentioned all the posts should go to blog. Now if you see here, all our latest posts you will find. Right? Now same way we want to do it. First of all, let me create a page called blog here. Let us push it over here. Again, easy thing. So we didn't mention that page. Now what I'm going to do is click on page, add new. I'm creating a page called blog. Now all our posts will go to the blog. Done. Now, where is that page? The page is not available. What I have to do now? No, it's already done. Menu, very good. I haven't added in the menu, right? So under appearance menu, previously we organized menu. Here there is no page called blog. Now select it and add it. Now it will come. Now just see here, automatically here blog will come. No need of adding again. It's already added. Now I don't want to showcase this. If customer open, directly home page should come, not this page. Again, I'm saying, whenever customer type odmt.in, he can see this. That's why you're calling as a website. Whenever he typing odmt.in, directly this page is coming. Then what do you call this? You call it as a blog. So the difference is same thing. Only one option, it will make either a website or blog. If you show your latest post on your front page, it will become a blog. But if you show any static page, it is a website. So how to make a website as a website or blog? Only one option. Go to appearance and customize. So every theme, there will be an option called home page setting. 99% this option will be there. 1% some theme it not be there. Then leave it, go for another theme. Home page setting. See, by default it is showing a latest post, means it's a blog. Now go for a static page. Then it is asking what you want to showcase on the home page. What do you want to showcase on a home page? Home. The page name home I want to showcase. Now post page, where you want all the posts to go? In the blog page. In the blog page. That's it, guys. Now someone typing this website name, directly it landed on the home page. Now where your posts are going? See, you click on the blog, here hello world is coming. That's it, guys. So this is the difference between a website and a blog. Okay, everything is fine, but the theme is not looking good. Then change the theme. N number of times change the theme until you satisfy the theme. So add new, latest, favorites, different themes, you can try it. No one will train you, that is your experience only. So try different themes. And if you want, even you can type here college theme, school theme, hospital theme also you can search. Again it doesn't mean that if you click on this, by default your website will not look like this. No, it's not. Again, you have to do a lot of hard work on that. But as of now, one theme I'm going to show you. This is very good. I'm not saying that this theme is great, but if you work on this, a lot of things you will learn. The theme is Minamaze. Even directly you can search for themes also. So these themes are very good actually. So let me add this thing, install. And activate. Done. Now again see the website. Again website will change because we change the theme. This is the new theme again. By default, this theme is designed in such a way that they're showcasing some slider. In this slider, their own images are there. Now you have to go to customize. You should add your own images. Even this section also you can change. Now again see, again the menu have a problem. Then what you have to do? Go to customize. Again menu option will be there. Again add the menu. Only one time, that's it. Some themes directly it will come. Menus, view all locations. So see, in this theme, pre-header menu is there. As of now, pre-header menu is perfect only, but this is only problem. So primary header menu, what do you want? Footer menu, what? If you created three menus you can showcase anyway. It's up to you. Now perfect. Everything is done. Now let us work on this customization part. Again come one by one. So site identity, it's there anyway. And colors, header image if you want you can put it, background image if you want to put something, home page setting, everything done. But in the top there is an option called theme options. Especially in this theme, everything is in here only. I'm not saying that in every theme this option will be there. Different theme have a different options. Click, check one by one. General setting. See what's happening here. Custom favicon. Upload favicon or specify the favicon URL. Do you know what is favicon? Someone tell me where is Gmail here? Gmail tab, where it is? How you saying that is a Gmail? That is only favicon. Okay, if you see just dial, JD will be there. Okay, if you see my website ODMT, there is a symbol called O. I mentioned that. So that is a favicon actually. You can upload your favicon. So people recognize by that. So that is also mandatory thing for SEO. In future, we'll be learning that anyway. So if you have, we can upload it. Now he's asking how your page structure should be. No sidebar, left sidebar, right sidebar. I'm selecting a right sidebar. Fixed layout. You try this. What is this? Enable breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs is nothing but whenever you been to student zone, it will display here. You are in ODMT and student zone. So it shows the path of that one. That is also good for SEO again. Then everything is done. Then go back. Home page means regarding these settings you might have explained. Home page settings. Home page layout. Home page I don't want any sidebars. And you can see here slides. This is only important, right? What you want slides. Assume that you want to showcase 3 slides. Click on 3 slides. Now first slide, what you want to upload the image. Now mine is institute, right? Which is good. Students are professors, which is good. Students only good. If it is hospital, which is good. Doctors are patient. See the difference? So here students you're taking, there doctors taking. That you should have anyway. Let me take some students. That too also take girl students only. Am I correct? Look attractive anyway. So anyway, I'm typing students. Whoever comes will take. Obviously foreign students only come, not Indian students. Okay. Or else let me search like this. Students with laptop. Yeah, this is much better. Now question, can I take Google images? Nothing will happen anyway. So copyright issues will be there, but I'm not selling anything. And assume that you're working for a great hospital, like Yashoda Hospital, you're working. Taking another hospital images may be a problem. They can file a case anyway. But you think, why Yashoda Hospital take images of others? They have their own photographers will do it. You're a small blogger anyway. No one will file a case on you. If you file a case also, nothing they'll be getting anyway. Okay? And nothing will happen. At most what happens, Google might be punishing you. At most, that is also very rare case anyway. Okay? So, but Google have a problem with the text only, not with the images. Still, you don't want to take risk. I don't want these images, sir. I don't want to take a risk. Then click on tools. There is an option called usage rights. Then labeled for reuse option is there. Now these options you can use it, but obviously you will not get proper images anyway. But still, if you don't want to take a risk, take these kind of images. Right. Now, here also when you're taking images, don't directly download like this. That's not correct. Proper image, you will not get it. Click on this and wait for some time. This is good. Now, always take landscape images. Don't take vertical images. This will not good fit in the website. Right click, save image as, save. See this? I don't prefer this image again. This is good only. Right. Now come back here and upload those images. This is also good. Right. Then publish. So initially it was like this. After that, after this, now Our website is like this. These are sliders. But many things are missing. Let me do that. Now, if you scroll down, there is an option of slider height. You can increase it. Somewhat better anyway, or else depends on the image you can take. This image is not good. The resolution is not good. So let me remove that image. Remove and upload another image. Right. Right. Now, here you can write something also here. See, welcome to ODMT. Then for this slide also, even if you want, you can give a URL also where you want customer to go. The manual URL also you can put it anyway, like the home page. Assume that you want to send it to the SEO page. You can send it. Now, if someone click on this, if you want to send it to Google Ads, in this case, it's not suitable, but I'm just showing you. And final thing, digital marketing. Publish it. Just see this. Again, this text also coming. This adding more value again. Welcome to ODMT, best online digital marketing in India. If you click here, it is going to that SEO page. Again, people ask, right, what is the difference between WordPress and HTML? The WordPress is, they gave us lot of images. I removed image, I can put an image. That's what I can do most. Here also, they gave option of adding a text. But if you want to change the color of this text, you can't do it. That much of customization. If you want to do it again, it's there, but you should learn coding again. Not required for you. So assume that this background image is white, this is also white, it will not highlight. Then common sense, background, don't take the white color image. Dark images you can take so that white will be highlighted. That's it. Okay, don't dig in more into the coding part anyway. Designing also, you don't have to spend much time. A decent website, it's enough. We should spend more time on marketing than the designing anyway. But if you keep spending time on, you understood anyway how to make a simple and effective website. What I want, I don't want a great website, guys. See, ODMT is not a great website, but it's effective. It's very good to take leads actually. That's what. It's very simple. I used simple colors. That's it. And KarnoolCabs.com for making a cab bookings. I only created this website. Very simple website. I created it in less than 20 minutes. But this giving us 70 leads in a day. So it's not about how great your website is, about how simple, how effective to generate leads. That is very important anyway. So you people learn designing anyway, spend more time. Right. This section is perfect. Now again, this section is available. Now, first of all, think about what you want to do. I want to showcase SEO, Google AdWords, social media. So everything is done. Go back. Home page featured. Some more option is there. Check it. So here he gave about that only. Content area 1, content area 2, content area 3. Content area 1 is asking you to showcase one image. I'm showcasing this image. Content area 2, this one. Content area 3, this Gundawash will use. Now, what do you want? So SEO, I'm writing. Now we can write text regarding this SEO also. I'm not writing now. Like learn advanced search engine optimization technique, blah, blah, blah. Now here, Google Ads. Now here, social media. Done. Let's see this. Got it? It's good to have a different image than the same images so that it look good anyway. That's it, guys. How is the website? We spent less than 30 minutes anyway. Whether you believe or not, we can create this kind of website. We can sell it for 30,000 rupees. Till now, more than 100 students have sold their websites and they work for the client and they charge 30,000 rupees. And you might be asking questions. There are some people who can create a website for 2,000 rupees also. Obviously, they are the high competitors for you. Of course, these kind of people ruin the business anyway. But it's your talent how you convince the client actually. Those people, they create for 2,000 rupees, they'll create only 5 pages. They do it and leave it. If you want to gain the trust from the customer, the highest selling point is tell them that I charge 30,000 rupees. Second thing is, I will do 1 year support for you. That is highest selling point. That guy will never do it again. 2000 mein kuch bhi nahi aata. This guy will not ask, that guy will not come. Now customer will think it. Tell them that SEO also on page I will be doing. At the same time, analytics, webmaster tools will be done from my side. Now you're giving more services. And obviously you'll be giving a very good website. That website is waste anyway. So these days customer is not looking for the money. He's looking for the quality. And you providing the quality definitely will take from you. Okay? Right. But I'm not saying that this is only enough. Work more on different themes. N number of themes are there. Again, during the next classes, I will modify a lot and I will show it to you. But as of now, this is enough for you. So remember, if you want to create a website, first think about pages, menu, theme, and customize. Customize, spend more time. Now assume that this is your client. You showed it to the client. This is my website. He said that the theme is not good, man. This is not looking good. And you can apply another theme. You can apply another theme. Again, I'm showing anyway. I'm not customizing. You just see here the difference. College theme I'm taking. So it's looking good. Right. Install. And activate. Again, if you customize, you will get all these things. Now you show it to the client. Now client said that our old website is much better than this, man. Now immediately you go back to this and activate it. So all settings will be saved. You don't have to do anything anyway. Okay, settings will be saved anyway. So that's why try 5 to 6 samples, show it to the client, whichever he's liked, then activate it. That's it. This is the basic designing anyway. Many things are there to learn anyway, but as of now, it's enough for you. Okay. So if you have any questions, you just reply back. You ask your questions in the comment section. And if you're looking for training also, just ping me, just comment over here. Either I'll take an online training or else you can come back to our classroom training. Okay. Thank you very much.